Our conference theme this year is thahkohtewin, the act of moving forward. That to us in education is moving forward in providing a curriculum that is culturally relevant and suitable for our students at LLRIB Indian Band. We teach to where our communities are at, where our students are at, where our schools are at, and all we could ever do is keep moving forward, especially in Indigenous education. We have the power in our hands to make education work for us, our communities, our language, our culture, and we have the power within our schools to implement this and have our children proud of who they are right from when they're very young in kindergarten and moving forward.
We try to emphasize the importance of understanding where we are today and then moving forward in regards to our students, our community, and our staff at LLRIB Indian Band. Moving forward implies that we're all working together in our communities, in our schools, and also adding additional resources that will help our staff in our many capacities that we have. Our keynote speakers spoke on the emphasis of language, culture, and also making adaptations so that our curriculum is met, but also how we can flourish with our resources that we have.
The importance of the LLRIB Indian Band Education Conference is the ability to bring all our educators together, including the EAs, the teacher assistants, and all the other support staff that envelop the holistic learning of our students. It's a chance for our educators to connect, to network with each other, learn from one another, teach others about what we're doing in our schools that are working for our students, and ideas that will enhance our educational program in a holistic way.